Good morning, student. Welcome to the class. Today we'll discuss about the CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU is called the brain of computer system that we are knowing. It controls the working of the entire computer system. When the CPU of a computer is on a single chip of silicon, it is called a microprocessor. Microprocessor pic is given here. Picture image is given here. See the figure 2.22. Like this microprocessor the picture of microprocessor is given, and chips are the size postage stamp. The all personal computers have microprocessor in them. So these are the method how the CPU work. First the CPU, the secondary memory input, you have to first are giving the input, then it goes to the primary memory or main memory, then controls means it controls the path how to manipulate the data, and information means it controls the flow of the data, and at the CPU it process an arithmetic logic unit means calculation or the some that comparison are made here. Arithmetic logic unit it will be happen here. Then the central processing unit is made up of control unit, arithmetic logic unit, and primary or main memory unit. Control unit. Control unit controls the flow and manipulation of data and information. It also controls the flow of data from input device to the memory and from memory to the output device. This does not process data but acts like the central nervous system of the other data processing components of the computer. It means it helps the entire system to flow the data or to manipulate the data or information. That's why it is known as the central nervous system of data processing. Then arithmetic logic unit. The ALU is the part of computer system where all the arithmetic calculations and comparison are made. After the calculation is done, the result is sent back to the memory as and whether the result of the logical operations is true or false. Then primary and main memory means it is having the area, input storage area, program storage area, working storage area, output storage area. So input storage area means where the data received by input device is stored temporarily. Then program means where the instructions of processing data are stored. Means input storage area means that you are giving the instructions by input device. That part is stored temporarily in the storage device. Then program is where the instruction of processing the data are stored. These are the program storage area. Then working means where all intermediate results of calculation are stored. These are the working area. And output means where the information be sent the output device or stored. Then come to the secondary memory computer. Secondary memory of the computer. The computer uses secondary or memory device to store data or information, and some secondary memory device, this is the hard disk located in the inside the computer, but compact disk, DVD means digital video disc, pen drive, universal serial bus means USB, flash drive, external hard disk are used to data transfer devices. They are used to transfer data from one device to another. So here it is the secondary memory device that we are using: CD, DVD, pen drive. These are the secondary memory device. So let's recapitulate also. Then come to the exercise. Fill in the blanks. These are the input device: scanner, keyboard, mouse. Then output device: monitor, printer, speaker. They are referred as peripheral devices means keyboard, mouse, speaker. These are all the peripheral devices. And peripheral devices means those devices attached to the CPU. Then types of computer mouse: optical, cordless, trackball mouse. Then types of printer: impact and non-impact printer. Then types of plotters: drum, flatbed plotters. Then types of scanner: drum scanner, handheld scanner. Then are the parts of CPU. Which are the parts of CPU? CU, ALU, MMU. Then are the parts, basic parts of main memory unit: input storage area, program storage area, working storage area, and output storage area. So like this in the exam, that multiple choice question also there in the exam, and subjective type also in the exam will come. This type of question also will come in the exam. So from this part also question will come, that name the types of computer mouse, or name the types of scanner, or name the basic parts of main memory unit. Like this the question will also come for 2 marks or 3 marks. Then here the give the full form of the following. CPU means central processing unit, ALU arithmetic logic unit, CU control units, MICR magnetic ink character reader, OCR optical character reader, MMU main memory unit, DVD digital video disc, CD compact disc, USB universal serial bus, VDU visual display unit, LCD liquid crystal display, LED light emitting diode, CRT cathode rays tube. These are the full forms of given the questions. Then come to the multiple choice question. To print engineering drawing, the best device would be plotter. Means if you want to the bigger size drawing, if you want to print a bigger size drawing, so you have to use the plotter. How many keys are there on a quadri keyboard? 104 keys are there in the quadri keyboard. Quadri keyboard means our keyboard that we are using. Then the pen drive would be a secondary memory, because the pen drive is external memory, secondary memory that we have connect in the CPU and take the data, or give the data to the system. Then the pen drive could be a secondary memory. The all peripheral devices are attached to the CPU, means with wire or without wire. For checking multiple choice questions, our school needs to buy a OMR. OMR means if you want to read the multiple choice questions, so you have to buy OMR. Then the input device required in a library to identify books is barcode reader. This is not a secondary storage unit. It means a memory unit is not a secondary storage unit. So that barcode reader means that the product, means if you are having book, so turn at the back side your book, means turn the last page of cover page of your book. One mark is given there, that line wise mark is given, that are the product mark, and that product mark only the barcode reader reads the product mark. Then identify the device. Creates an electronic form of any printed image by shining a light on the image is known as scanner. Senses the position of the touch of the finger on a pad and moves to the cursor accordingly is known as touchpad. And a pointing device that looks like a pen is sensitive to light. It is light pen. Print fast, noiselessly, and the printing quality is superior. Laser printer used to read bank checks. MICR capable of detecting alphabetic and numeric character on a computer printout. OCR used as a data transfer device. USB act like the central nervous system for the computer system. CU means control unit. Input device used for online chatting. Keyboard. Output device used magnifies the monitor screen on a surface. LCD. Then come to the one difference between the following. One difference between also you have to prepare for exam, and these are the questions. So in the exams 20 marks objective type questions will come. Means not 20 marks, that 50% of the marks objective question will come, and 50% of the marks subjective. In the subjective you have to write the answers. So question should be 2 marks, 3 marks, like this the question should be there for the 50 marks subjective. So you have to prepare the question answers also. So all the exercise questions you have to prepare for exam. This time not only the MCQ question will come, but the subjective type question also will come, so you have to write the answers. So be prepared for midterm examination at this pattern only. Thank you.